welcome back to another video. If you watched the last video, you saw I got a new car, 335 IS 2011. I'm gonna change the oil on it today, so we're gonna take the E39, go get some oil, stretch her legs a little bit. Haven't driven it in a couple days. Take off the engine cover and take a look at the inside of that, because I didn't really do that when I bought it, so hopefully it's not clapped. It might be clapped, I don't know. Haven't noticed anything wrong with it yet, and I've been driving it pretty hard, as you would when you get a new car. Unfortunately, I gotta play musical cars, which is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. We'll get a cold start on this too right now and see how it sounds. I really want to figure out what that rattle is, because that shit's annoying, but check them out. Check them out. Zooey Mama. Now we're gonna go ahead and start with the oil change. I just gotta change because I'm in the fit right now. All right, for you N54 boys out there, I got 540. Let me know what you guys use. I figure, I don't know. Did a little research. People said this is good. I use it in the Audi, and this. So it can't be bad. So we're gonna jack it up now and do the thing. The skid plate's kind of annoying to get off. I have to reach into Narnia, but at least we'll see if it's leaking oil. I'm sure it is, but all right, grand reveal. Let's see how wet this Johnny is. Oh, you know what? That's a good sign. Check it out. Ah, bone dry. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Let's go. Did we buy the least clap 200K N54? I think so. All right, let's do a grand reveal of this oil. Yeah. Man, it's definitely pretty dark. The only thing I hate about these is it just gets everywhere once you pull it out. It's kind of hard not to make a mess. Oh, actually, it isn't bad. All right, fresh O-rings, fresh filter. Looking very good. Throw that on in there. Look at that. Coolant level's good too. Guys, we may or may not have gotten a decent car. Well, it's not looking sparkly. That's a good sign. Yeah, I don't see anything metal shards in there, so that's a plus. Ah, yes. There she goes. Okay, now that I'm done with the oil change, I'm gonna just investigate under here and see what things are looking like. Just to see what things are looking like, you know what I'm saying? All right, nothing too crazy in here. I can't see all the way back there because this stupid fucking thing. Now I know why people do the cow delete, but anyways, there's a slight valve cover gasket leak, I think. Just a drop of oil down there, but the rest seems pretty dry, honestly. This isn't too bad of a ship. All right, oil change complete. Done looking at the car for the day. But dude, having these two together right now looks so sick. I fucking love this. But I do have lowering springs on the way, so we're gonna put those on whenever they get here. So that should be the next segment of this video. So until then, I got nothing to film, so we'll cut back whenever we do something else. We got these sick made in China E92 starter pack grills. Let's go. Let's go ahead and throw this bitch on there. That's that better.
Nice.
Yeah, that's better.
Damn.
I like that. But here's what it looks like with the grills. Some may call me a poser because it's not an M car, but you know what, guys? It's a fucking M car, dude. I basically have an M3. Let's be real here. Matter of fact, let me show y'all something. Tell me it ain't no M car. I got M mats, bro. I got M3 mats. Yo, what's up? It's been like 2 weeks since I've literally filmed anything. The plan is to lower this car, this video. Probably starting it tonight, but first, before we do that, me and Nick, we're gonna go to a meet. I'm gonna take this. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my McDonald's, meet up with Nick, check out some cars, come back, and start the process of lowering the 335. Filling up. What do we got here? Look, what do we got? What do we got? Oh, yeah. Yeah! Yeah, turn them shits on. Oh! Yeah! I'm so crooked.
What's the plan?
Oh, cars. We got cars.
Wait, what?
Oh, it's an S7. Is that a Supra? No. More importantly, is that a Techno Violet E36 M3? I think it is. I got one of them. It's an M345 because it's a M3 5-speed 4-door. Oh. Oh yeah.
Dude, it's got an exhaust.
Super Sprint. Nice. This thing's baller.
Minty.
This has got to be the most cooked Supra I've ever seen. Ugh.
Yeah.
$500,000. I know what I have.
Dude.
Yeah, that's good. Oh yeah. What happened to respecting the spot? Respect the spot, dude.
He's like, go that way.
Are you gonna start? Dude, come on. Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're not doing it again.
Nice. The air compressor fan, you hear that shit?
Just the whole time.
We in the upgraded turbo 335. Let's feel this. Let's see if he'll convince me to get 19 Ts. Dude, that sounds ridiculous.
So yeah, pretty solid amount.
Dude, that noise is so good. Woo. Ooh, yeah. Okay. I'm seeing it. Guys, 19 T's coming soon.
Dude, downpipe in tune. That's all you need. Fuck yeah.
Yup. Hey, biggest flex. Biggest flex.
Right there.
Dude, this thing sounds insane. This thing sounds crazy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude. That is insane. Bro, got the Petri dish, bro. Hey, the Petri dish? No, this thing rips. How do you feel about that?
Dude, you need
19
all
T's
of
coming soon?
everything.
Nah, big single.
Even the eyelash. Yeah, that's sounds so good.
Oh, yeah. This is not stock. Oh, yeah. Alright, I think the carton's dead. Bro, that shit sounds crazy. Alright, yeah, we are leaving the meet. Obviously not working on the car tonight. We're doing that tomorrow. We stayed out later than I anticipated. But it's all good though. What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal.
On green, on green. Yep. Throw them bitches on. Throw them bitches on. Yep. Got his ass. Okay, we just got back. Dude, I'm gonna put some of the dash cam footage he got. Oh my gosh, we just went absolutely fucking sicko mode. But like I was saying, we're gonna do the springs tomorrow, so yeah. it. That was it. All right, if y'all cannot tell, we are putting these on. Let's go. Shocks, springs. We're gonna jack this bitch up, and yeah, get on there with it. Okay, I had to remove this little arm for the headlight adjuster things, the adaptive headlights, and then I moved these out because somebody said they stretch when you drop all this. I gotta do the sway bar and link here and the top. All right, sway bar and link out. All these shits out, like I was saying. What else did I do? Oh, fucking headlight arm bullshit. Okay, next I think is the top and the bottom. All right, we had to take the caliper off too. Fuck that. That was harder than it should have been. But now I'm gonna do the top and the bottom. We're gonna drop this bitch out. But the new one's in.
Does this thing have a strut brace? Just stock.
Yeah, dude.
Stock strut brace.
Ooh, yeah.
No spring compressor.
No, I don't need it yet. Fuck, dude.
Dude, just get it. Just pull it out, dude.
Yeah, you don't think I'm trying? Hold on, I need some leverage.
Oh yeah.
Oh, can I just like do a classic little? No, probably not.
Oh.
No.
Ball.
Here, like this. Dude. All right, we might need to put the camera down. You might need to help me. You might need to help me. Okay, we got her going. Fucking.
You, dude.
I'm gonna get on that box. Blast that bitch. Blast that bitch. Yes, sir. Let that marinate for a moment. Gotta do this solo. Oh, yeah. Bruh. Oh, yes. Let's go, dude. Yeah, somebody wasn't here to help me for that one. This is a loaded gun. Oh. No, it's not in anymore. Dude, these were cooked. Okay, me and Nick have successfully put together our H&R Spring Coney shot combo. Okay, we're gonna be riding real fucking nice now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Let's go throw her in. Let's go throw her in, shall we? You gotta spread the Johnson. Gah! Oh. Oh yeah, that's it. That's
Fuck
good.
Yeah.
Ah. All right, we got one in. Yes, sir. We got one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let's see how long we do the other one. Oh, fuck.
Speed round.
Let's see how it looks. Oh wow,
Oh yeah.
that shit's slammed, bro.
Nice.
I need spacers now. That is much better. Oh wow. Oh yeah, that's a monster truck in comparison.
Yup.
Oh, is this a?
Mmm. Oh.
Oh, switch, dude.
You have 5 minutes to swap out the tire suspension.
5 minutes? Okay, let's get that done. Yeah, we're gonna speed run this bitch, get her done, and yeah, it's hot. We at this step now. PB Blast that, John. We also got a whole ass concert studio in the back here.
Yeah.
Concert hall. Let's go ahead and just fucking. Oops, I missed. Oh gosh, that's disgusting.
Yeah.
Damn.
One more time.
We got this out though.
Yeah.
Curl this, John.
Easy.
Curling that. Oh yeah.
Boink.
It was good. It was good, bruh. It was good.
Good while it
Look,
lasts.
you can see it. It's like got fluid on it, bruh.
Yeah.
Cook around it.
It's just extra
Oh,
to
okay.
use later.
Oh yeah, for sure. When it leaks.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got this one built. Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's like perfect. Actually.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I would want to go in the road. Okay, it's coming together. We're slammed in the front. Check it out.
What if you just did the front?
No.
Break.
No. His ass has work.
Oh.
I gotta do this all by myself.
Damn.
Damn.
Tough.
I
Tough
know.
life.
It is. That rake is atrocious. Oh my gosh. We gotta put the rear in now. Okay, starting on the rear. What you gotta do is drop that shit down there, and it kind of lowers it down. You undo the shock down there, and it just all comes down together. And you gotta undo the shock from inside. You gotta take out all the paneling and stuff. So I'll update you as the process goes on. I knew that shit was gonna happen. I just took that bolt out, and that bitch just fucking tunk. I should have known with the fucking spring tension on it. Anyways, yeah, I just gotta like yank this Johnny out now and get that out. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't like this, dude. Everything is just fucking everywhere. Everything. There's so much bullshit. It's whatever. It's like, all right, we got the rear on. That was kind of a bitch, I'm not gonna lie. I think it was harder than the front, but yeah, it was bad. Yeah, I should be able to knock out the other side pretty quickly. So yeah, we will do that and see what happens. That was genuinely the worst experience. I was crashing out, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I'm done. I'm done. Now I gotta put it all back together, aka the wheel and the trunk, and clean everything up, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, I definitely am gonna give it time to settle. It looks okay. It's better. The front looks nice. The rear, on the other hand, I don't know. Could be lower. Dude, like, what? Why is the rear fucking monster trucking? I feel like I did something wrong on this. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna go clean up and then go to the gas station, see how it looks. I spent all fucking day on it. I'm gonna drive the damn car, see how it looks and handles. Man, I hate that shit so much. Shut up! Shut up, would you? Alright. We're gonna go to the gas station now. Oh yeah. This shit's perfect, honestly. This shit's so good now. I think this height's perfect. It definitely settled a bit. Tell me that isn't perfect. That's basically perfect. The rake isn't that bad. Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude. I love this height. This is fucking perfect. Damn, bruh. I'm stoked. The fucking 8 hours of work and dirt in my face was for sure worth it. Okay, it's the next morning after finishing the springs and the struts, obviously. Going to Cars and Coffee right now. Gonna meet up with a bro and see what there is. Oh shit, he's coming in hot, bro. That's also just as disgusting.
That was from the same headlights as the early.
Chat, what is this?
Fuel wheels.
If you guys made it to the end of the video, I appreciate it. Definitely stay tuned for the next video. Watch the last one if you haven't. Lots of stuff on the way for both cars, I think. You'll see in the next video. I did it today. We did a nice little mod to it. Definitely adds some good character to the car. But yeah, as always, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to drop a like. And thank you for watching once more, and catch you in the next one.